Instead of feeling a sense of expectancy and optimism about the future of local football, I am overcome by a sense of despondency to see the local football product heading back to where it was 20 or 30 years ago. Precious little has improved. So many things have gotten worse, and so many things have remained the same. There is no structure, no plan, no vision for local football. The JFF just there collecting the money from FIFA and stretch it as far as them can till it done. The Premier League is stuck in reverse, and we're now reverting to an old, tried, and failed format of the A-League that we could not afford then, and we worse can't afford now. We have no clearly defined path for development at the national level. Every age group national team, male and female, get the same pitchy-patchy treatment. The big World Cup qualifying campaign is coming up, and right now, the wagon empty. Very few fans, very few sponsors. We don't know what to expect. And look, things have always been challenging for local football. Resources have always been limited. It has never been a bed of roses, but at least we used to have leadership and we used to have hope. Right now, we have nothing named leadership and precious little in terms of hope. As we speak, Jamaica's football is sliding down a very slippery slope.